How long does it take to process your Maybank credit card application? If you've recently applied for a Maybank credit card, if you haven't received your credit card in the meanwhile, then you could go ahead and visit the portal where you could read about the information. So go ahead and open up a browser. Then on the web address bar, type in www.maybank2u.com my/mybank to you/Malaysia. That's gonna take you to their official page where you could see the credit card application status. So here they mentioned you should receive a notification through SMS email on the status of your credit card application within 10 working days. If you did not receive any update after 10 working days, you may reach out to the customer service team through a toll-free number or through an email, or you could also go to this particular sites. So this way you could check the status, or this way you could know the procedure. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.